My father went to Finland earlier this year, and when he came back, gave me a couple of these, which was labeled as a present for me and my sister from a friend from Finland. And I chose to take this one. Paper bag is my favorite green color, and inside of the paper bag it reads, Kalevala is more than a piece of jewelry. The word is very new to me, and I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it properly. And if I'm gonna wear this jewelry, I need to know what Kalevala is. Kalevala is more than a fairy tale about the beginning of humanity, about a world created by a woman. Actually, Kalevala is referred as Finland's national epic poems, derived from ancient origins with a pinch of magical sound. It's an inspiration to many, some big companies from Finland, and even the author of the epic fictional novel named The Lord of the Rings has used a number of plot elements from the Kalevala poems. There's my jewelry inside a very well designed packaging, and I swear the color purple and green are my favorites. And a note attached says the material of the earring is plywood. It says it's a plywood Karelian plated ribbon motif earrings. Karelian is an area in northern Europe between Russia and Finland. It's made of Finnish plywood, and this earring is a special limited edition product. At the end of the note, it says, spread joy and share your image on Instagram. And I will. Let me have a look at my earrings. While it's always good to get presents, it's even more meaningful if you know the story behind the present you got. And the note said, when handled with care, the earrings will bring you joy for a long time. Looking into the details, the earrings is handmade, and the connecting parts are made of bronze. The hooks are gold-plated silver. I'm so excited to wear this, and thank you to the friend from Finland for this beautiful present.